Welcome to Happy Hands and Hearts. Today's fragment is the logic of firewalls. In the physical world, we have walls to protect our homes. But in the digital world, walls are invisible. A firewall is the logic of the perimeter. It is a barrier designed to monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Think of it as a digital filter that sits between your private network and the public internet. How does a firewall make a decision? It looks at packets. Every piece of data sent over the internet is broken into small envelopes called packets. Each packet has a header, which contains a return address and a destination. The logic of a basic firewall is called packet filtering. It inspects every single envelope. If the return address is on a blacklist of known bad actors, the firewall drops the packet instantly. It doesn't matter what is inside, the logic is based on the source. But the logic goes deeper. A computer has thousands of virtual doors, called ports. Some ports are for web browsing, others are for email or file sharing. A firewall acts as a digital doorman. It uses the rule set to decide which doors are open and which are locked. By default, a secure firewall locks every door and only opens the ones you specifically ask for. This is the least privilege logic. If you don't need it to be open, keep it locked. Modern firewalls use stateful inspection. This is the logic of memory. If you go to a website and ask for a picture, the firewall remembers that you started the conversation. When the picture arrives from the internet, the firewall says, "I remember this person asked for this, so I will let it in." But if a picture tries to enter your computer without you asking for it, the firewall stops it. It knows the difference between a reply and an invasion. Cybersecurity is not about being a genius, it is about understanding the logic of permission. Whether you use a hardware firewall or a cloud-based shield, the principles of filtering and memory are the same. Logic is universal. Tools are temporary. Anybody can learn AI and cybersecurity. Thank you for joining the Vault at Happy Hands and Hearts.